Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 8th of the hashtag jelly postcard play. Sorry, geez, from Ceri the Crafter. So we are going to hop along and cover this is going to be a quick one, only a few elements to this one. But, sometimes simple is what you need, or simple is very pretty. So it doesn't always have to be super complicated. Okay. Especially if you're starting out, just do what pleases your eye. So we've got this little cut out from a scrapbook paper, and I'm just gonna, in a couple spots, give it a little edge. It's very delicate, so just be kind of careful and just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so we're going to just put this down like so. Because it's got so many little pokey outy things, that's a technical term, I'm going to use the art glitter glue because otherwise it's going to eat my glue stick. We can't have that. And some of the stems are hanging on by a thread, so better to use this glue than to try and get them down with the glue stick. Okay. And we're going to kind of go like that. That nice and stuck down. It's got a little bloom hanging over the end. I think that's kind of fun. And then we're going to put on the 8 for today, and that is going to be the extent of it. Just going to put the 8 right up here. And then we're going to give it a little distress around the edges. And that one will be finished. Okay, so there you have it. July 8th. Thank you, Ceri, for inviting me to participate. And I hope you all have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.